Hello crafty friends, it's that exciting time of the month when we get to see our brand new kits from Spellbinders. First up, our small die is called Dancing Octopus and Friends, and this die set is absolutely gorgeous. I love that big friendly looking octopus and the beautiful little jellyfish and starfish that we get in there as well. Lots of gorgeous detail. Our large die of the month is called Whale in a Bottle, and this is cute as well. You're going to get this large bottle shape with the cork. You get that gorgeous big magnificent or majestic whale and all the scenery behind it to go with it, and it is stunning. Really love that one. And you can see so many ways that we can use that set and colour it. Our stitching die of the month is called Scattered Shells. I love this stitching die of the month. I love the shell details on there and the beautiful frame that goes around the outside of the card as a base, as well as the layering piece in the centre of it. I think it's going to be gorgeous to use and quite straightforward and simple to use as well. And you can see it matches perfectly with the other kits. Our clear stamp and die of the month is called What Are You Up To? And you can see we've got all these gorgeous sentiments. I'll cross the ocean for you, make a wave, what are you up to, seize the day, as well as lots of little sea scenery and little critters as well. And again, matching back beautifully to the other dies and embossing folders in this month's collection. And you can see lots of different ways there to use the imagery, and lovely for bright, hot, sunny weather that's coming up. Next, we have our embossing folder of the month, the 2D embossing folder, and it is called Splish Splash. And you can see very obviously why it's been named that. Creates a beautiful background for all your die cuts to go on, as well as being excellent for doing ink blending and all the embossing folder techniques that are currently very popular. Great embossing folder for adding a detail to your background to focus on your images. Our 3D embossing folder this month is stunning. It is covered with beautiful seashells, starfish, cone shells, coral, you name it, it is on there. And the detail is just breathtaking. I love this theme of this month's kits. I love the whole seaside theme we have happening here. And you can see there the detail in that embossing folder. Next we have our Sending Waves Glimmer Kit of the month. This has two large plates that give us different waves, as well as the dies that go on the outside edges of both of those wave plates. It comes with one sentiment, but I believe there are additional sentiments, hot foil sentiments available to match back with it. Very nice addition, I can say, for our monthly kit. So here we have the Easy Card Kit of the month, and it is beautifully coloured, not seaside theme, but beautiful colours for summer. It's got lots of beautiful butterflies and pretty things all through it, and the colour palette is gorgeous. You can see we've got some of those lovely chipboard frames, as well as this stunning shaker mix. So the shaker mix is gorgeous, and you're going to love it when you get it in your hands. Well, thank you so much for joining me for a very quick overview of our kits. As always, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, bye for now.